Once you try it, you're going to love it. For sure. Hola amigos, my name is Ulises and welcome. If it's your first time, welcome. Feel comfortable. Right now, let's make some pulled barbecue pork sliders. Yeah, some sliders. I have some mini brioche band right here, and why don't make it? So also, I have no coleslaw, but if you have lettuce, if you have onions, we can. Actually, I'm gonna make some caramelized onions with. I'm gonna use a little bit of this whole onion and title. Onion. So I'm Ulises, I'm a professional chef. I've been working in restaurants something like 8 to 10 years. The last 5 years into plant-based cuisines and something that I really love it. So I like to make the plant-based dishes, food, and I love to eat them. Let's do it. Actually, let's work. If it's not your first time, if it's your second, or have you seen before other videos, welcome back. Welcome back. This is for you. So let's do it. Amigos. I have right now 4 mushrooms, but this comes like 2 mushrooms. I mean, those are small. And what else? I'm gonna do my sauce. For my sauce, smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon. Okay, 1 teaspoon, something like that. Cumin, 1/8 of teaspoon. Liquid smoke, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. I mean, cumin, something like that. Something like 1/8 of teaspoon. Maple syrup, 2 teaspoon. That comes like almost 2. That counts like almost 2. So then, tamari or soy sauce. One table. What? 2 tables. And apple cider vinegar. Half teaspoon. It's a little bit, just a little bit. A little bit, almost nothing of salt and black pepper. Pinch of black pepper. So once you have your sauce ready, just mix it. Just mix it all together very well. So, and also I'm gonna put aside, and also I'm gonna pull the mushroom. The best way is using 1 fork. I mean, you can use your fingers, but it's gonna take you a long time. But the easy way is your fork. Is with 1 fork, doing like a cheddar chicken. Or also you can use your fingers, only your fingers. With your full fingers works good also if you don't have fork. Look at this, it's very easy sometimes, some of them. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. So just keep doing this with the rest of your mushroom. Right now, how I say before, I'm using 2 small and 2, I mean those works like 2 big or 3 regular king mushroom, but you know. Amigos, this is the best way. Sorry if I try to make so fast or so quickly. When you're pulling this kind of mushroom, just doing it slowly. I mean, if you're running on time, do it like me, but is this the best way? Look at this. How really looks like. Okay, this is one way. I hope you get this idea, or I hope you get this tip. It's doing it slowly, and look at this. Looks like cheddar chicken. So anyway, I won't waste anything of the top of the mushroom, so that's why I'm gonna add it. Why not, right? So amigo, just try to do it as much as you can. As much as you can. Try to pull them all as much. So right now I have my marinated sauce right here, and just I'm gonna dust it. Wow, it smells good. So just I'm gonna adjust a little bit my spicy, and I'm going to add a little of garlic. I love the garlic, that's why. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. Amigos, adjust your seasoning. Please, 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 please feel comfortable at it or reducing the other one. I mean, you couldn't reduce something. That's why I started slowly with all the ingredients. So I'm gonna leave aside. So amigos, something between half to 1 cup of onions. Nice! I have one, or I have enough onion. Look at this onion. Who doesn't love the raw onion? Me. To saucepan, heat them. A little of olive oil, and also the other one, a little bit. For my onion, for my mushroom, for my pulled barbecue. Smell good. All right, it's ready. So amigos, let's cook. And also same with our onion. I'm gonna give it a little extra color. I mean, you can add the rest of your ingredients right now or wait a little bit. It's no big deal. So let's start with a little of salt. Yes, a little of salt. Something like 2 teaspoons. Yes, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And something like 2 tables. Yes, 2 tables of sugar, brown sugar, white sugar, monk fruit, coconut sugar, agave maple syrup, something sweet, and just mix all together. And let's cook them until those are caramelized. Just keep moving, mix all together. It's good. So amigos, then for my barbecue pork, I'm gonna cook something between 8 to 12 minutes. It's going good. Everything is going very, very good. Also amigos, this is very simple and very, very important. When you're cooking your onions, test them. They should be very, very sweet. It is? So amigos, the same time with the onions, I'm pretty sure that it should be cooked for long time, for more minutes. I mean, right now, oh my god, I'm gonna cry. But anyway, so when you're doing this, but before you're done or before burn them, I mean, that's gonna turn into the brown color. Just it's time to add it or sherry vinegar or other kind of vinegar that you have. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Amigo, look at this caramelized onion. Look at this caramelized onion. It's a little burnt, but anyway. And look at this barbecue. So I'm gonna gonna place my onions right here. Also, I'm gonna use the same saucepan because I don't wanna wash more dishes. Gonna use my same saucepan because I don't wanna wash more dishes. You know, a little olive oil. Just a little, just a little. So let's hit our band. My band, my band. Oh my god, amigos, right now in the kitchen or in my entire room is a lot of smoke. I was so crying a little bit for the onion, so just be careful with that. I know that you know that. Oh my god, this is my first time using this grapeseed oil veganese. I'm gonna try it. And also I'll let you know. So a little of veganese. Also I'm gonna add it on the top. It's good. It's good. It's not bad. Wow, better than mayo. I forget to tell you something, amigos. If you want, you can add it and toast them with a little barbecue sauce. Or also, if you want, it is optional. I didn't add it because I didn't want to burn it, but also it's optional. I repeat, just I'm toasted a little bit with a little barbecue. Or also, you can add it all the time, extra barbecue on the top, always, always. So, onions, 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 onions. More barbecue sauce, more barbecue sauce, more barbecue sauce, more barbecue sauce, and also a little of microgreens. Amigos, I'm done with those sliders. I hope you get this idea, amigos. Amigos, try to make your own pulled barbecue sliders. It's very, very easy. I haven't tried it. Amigos, I have enough for one more. I'm missing something? No. Once you try it, you're going to... Oh! Sorry. Once you try it, you're going to love it. For sure. Try to make your own sliders. I'm pretty sure that you're gonna love it. Please add it or made it with any other greens that you can add it. I mean, you can add it. I love the microgreens. I love lettuce. I love coleslaw. I love the honey or sweet barbecue, or also the spicy. I'm Mexican. I love the spicy food, but this is one way how I made it, and I hope you get this idea how to make the pulled barbecue pork sliders. Also, you can make it in a sandwich. You can add it to your salad. You can make your marinade and leave it right there. Once it's ready, just boom, cook them, and also making your oven. Also, there are infinities of ways to make it. All the time, play with your creativity. I hope you get this idea. It's the most important. Get the idea. There is no limits to keep cooking more plant-based dishes. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure that I have food right here. I have to go. See you soon. Peace and love. And love to the pulled barbecue slider.